Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating thought experiment. What if nobody captured land and set boundaries? What if we all were just one nation and one whole country? Imagine a world where the concept of boundaries, artificially restricting cooperation and communication among countries or nations, has been completely replaced with a new system that fosters unity among all individuals. In such an ideal world, every single person would be blended together into a single, completely connected community, where everyone would not only have equal rights, but also be held mutually accountable for their actions and the well-being of the entire society. In this visionary society, cultural diversity would be cherished, promoting harmonious coexistence among its members. Each individual would enjoy equal opportunities, regardless of background, for living, learning, and succeeding. The idea of dismantling boundaries to form a unified world with equal rights and shared responsibility is a worthy goal that deserves collective effort. Let's work towards a world where everyone is a part of a collective family, pursuing a reality where all our dreams come true. The proposed unified community would have a shared government for infrastructure, resources, healthcare, education, transportation, communication, and public facilities. These sectors would be regulated by a set of rules to foster society improvement. In such an environment, all individuals would live in harmony and had equal access to the same opportunities, benefits, and resources, irrespective of their geographical location or socioeconomic status. This would create a fairer society, where everyone would have equal chances to achieve their dreams and fulfill their potential, without any discrimination based on their background or ethnicity. This innovative utopia could serve as an inspiration to all people, encouraging them to work toward creating a world where boundaries and nationalities are no longer a part of the equation. By embracing the benefits of unity and cooperation, we can work together to build a more just, inclusive, and equitable society for all. This would entail an abrupt end to any further wars, as well as the eradication of conflicts and discriminations deeply rooted in nationality. It would represent a turning point, signaling that we would all emerge as one extended family, actively collaborating and putting our efforts towards the common goal and well-being of all individuals involved. Of course, this is merely a thought experiment, and as such, it's highly unlikely to ever occur in reality. However, it's certainly enjoyable to contemplate and imagine what a potentially different world could look like if borders were to be completely eliminated. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep thinking, keep exploring, and keep dreaming.